Today we have Million Warriors. Yeah, I found them on clearance over at Walmart, and I figured that it would be kind of fun to open. Yeah, let's just dive right in. All right, just open up all these packages. Right. We have 60 packages because we got 6 of these. Each of them comes with 10. Yeah. Each package comes with a character. We have 60 little guys. Alright. There is a chance of finding a real gold character. I doubt we'll find it, but it would be kind of funny if we did. Alright, guys. Let's just reposition that. Alright. Take these packages. We'll set them to the side. Okay. Open. Alright. We got 2 packages right here. Alright. Yikes, on bikes, these are cheapo looking. I understand why they're in the clearance now. Little bug guy. And there we go. Yeah. Alright, let's see here. Alright, got this luchador fellow. Alright, we got this like glow in the dark looking fellow. And we got the skeleton guy. That's cool. Got this knight. They all have numbers on the back of them. Weird. Got this football fellow. Weird Martian man. Viking. Warm skull guy. This superhero who's slowly fading away out of existence. Little translucent alien. A very pissed off businessman. A tiny little knight. I know they're all tiny. That was a very bad descriptor. Luchador. Another Bugman. This one's a fly. Really pissed off alien guy. How pissed off. Cowboy. Tiki guy. A very weird spider fellow. Looks like he's about to run a marathon or something. Oh, I like this guy. Chain gang, really fat biker dude. Looks like he's about ready for battle. And it's like, alright, I'm gonna get you. A fly superhero. Another Viking. An alien. Another tiki eye. Really muscly lady. Translucent football guy. Congratulations. A pharaoh. A cyborg superhuman. I'll actually show it. There we go. Ghostly football player. Got a lot of football players. Okay, this one's just really crappy printing. Weird sunset god guy. Another Viking. Got like some Vikings. Another fly. Captain Pirate. Cowboy. Really cool glittery sumo. It's the first sumo and it's shiny. There you go. Ooh, shiny. that one's awesome. Little alien inside the robot. Eskimo. Really pissed off bug. What the... I mean, I'd be pissed off to be a bug too, so I can't blame them. Our first duplicate little alien guy. Alright, at least it's... So far, that one was my favorite, so at least it's a... Oh no, another duplicate. Eskimo. Oh no, duplicate. Pissed off bug. That package was terrible. Oh no! Glittery Sumo. Oh no, Cowboy. Oh no, Captain Pirate. Wrestling guy. A Viking lady. Pretty cool. Steampunk mech. Awesome. DJ Bot. That one's cool. Got some really cool ones in here. Last, we're almost done though. Oh no, another tiki guy. Oh, hillbilly. Diamond Man. Macho guy. Got little good glasses and stuff. These are really hard for you guys to see. I'm sorry about that. Their painting makes it really hard for it to be shown on camera. This luchador, he's in a different pose. I like him. This Hulk ripoff. Grimace with a bunch of shit on his back. Lovely. The Hulk again. I can't even bother showing that one on camera. Grimace with a bunch of shit on his back. Lovely. Come on, be something different. Viking lady. Mexican wrestler. Alright. Yeah, that was... They're okay little guys. They're not terrible. I mean... I don't know. $30 for how crappy the paint is on some of these is not a great price. I mean, granted, I got 60 of them for 30. All of that for 30 isn't terrible. You got a nice chunk, but still really crappy paint. I see why these were on the discount. Not disappointed with the purchase, but overall, meh. Not nearly as cool as Muscle Men. It's kind of like taking the idea from them, and not nearly as cool as Go-Go's either. And the paint job, well, really stylized, and when it works really well. When it doesn't and it's printed wrong, it looks like crap. But at least it's not a $10 figure, like a $10 to $15 figurine with joints that break on you. Marvel Legends, McFarlane. Actually, Marvel Legends is pretty good. McFarlane does that. Marvel Legends, just their packaging is crap. Anywho, enough of ranting about other toys. They're okay.